Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of blockchain technology. In today's video, we'll explore the revolutionary technology that has taken the world by storm. Blockchain is a game-changing digital ledger that allows for secure, transparent, and decentralized transactions without the need for intermediaries. From its origins as a support system for Bitcoin to its current wide-ranging applications in various industries, blockchain technology has quickly become a transformative force in the world of technology. We'll dive into the features that make blockchain unique, and understand how blockchain works. Finally, we'll explore the top 5 uses of blockchain technology. Get ready for an exciting ride into the world of blockchain technology. Blockchain is a digital ledger technology that allows information to be stored in a decentralized, transparent, and secure manner. It was originally developed to support the cryptocurrency Bitcoin, but has since found applications in a variety of industries beyond finance. Here's how it works. 1. Blocks. Blockchain consists of a series of blocks, each of which contains a set of transactions. Each block contains a unique code, called a hash, that identifies it. 2. Decentralization. The blockchain network is decentralized, which means that each node on the network has a copy of the blockchain ledger. This ensures that there is no single point of failure, and transactions can be verified by multiple parties. 3. Consensus. Transactions are validated by the network through a process called consensus. This is achieved through a consensus algorithm, which ensures that all nodes on the network agree on the validity of a transaction. 4. Cryptography. The transactions in each block are secured using cryptographic algorithms, which make it virtually impossible to tamper with the data. 5. Mining. In order to add a block to the blockchain, it must first be mined. This involves solving a complex mathematical puzzle, which requires a significant amount of computational power. Once the puzzle is solved, the block is added to the blockchain. 6. Public and private keys. Each user on the network has a unique public and private key pair. The public key is used to identify the user, while the private key is used to sign transactions and prove ownership of assets. 7. Smart contracts. Blockchain also allows for the creation of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. That was the brief working. Furthermore, the blockchain has attributes of transparency, which means that the blockchain ledger is public, and that anyone can view the transactions that have been recorded on the network. This transparency helps to ensure the integrity of the system. It's secure, meaning that the transactions on the blockchain are secured using cryptographic techniques, which makes it extremely difficult for anyone to tamper with the data on the network. The blockchain is immutable, suggesting that once a transaction has been recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This ensures that the data on the blockchain is accurate and trustworthy. 5 uses of blockchain. So far so good. Now let's talk about some exciting uses and applications of this wonderful technology. 1. Cryptocurrencies. Blockchain technology was initially developed to support the creation and use of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. 2. Voting systems. Blockchain can be used to create secure and transparent voting systems that protect the integrity of the voting process. 3. Digital identity management. Blockchain can be used to create decentralized digital identity systems that give users control over their personal data and protect their privacy. 4. Real estate. Blockchain can be used to simplify and speed up the process of buying and selling real estate by reducing the need for intermediaries and ensuring the accuracy of property records. 5. Energy trading. Blockchain can be used to create peer-to-peer energy trading systems that allow individuals and organizations to buy and sell energy directly without the need for intermediaries. In conclusion, blockchain technology is a revolutionary digital ledger that enables secure, transparent, and decentralized transactions without the need for intermediaries. Its features include decentralization, transparency, security, immutability, consensus mechanism, and smart contracts. Blockchain has various applications beyond finance, including voting systems, digital identity management, real estate, and energy trading. As blockchain continues to evolve, it has the potential to transform industries and change the way we conduct transactions and interact with each other. Thank you for watching this video.